So numbers 24 through 26, we're going to start here by finding the measure of angle K. If you'll notice here, if I outline this here, we have an inscribed angle which is 28 degrees right there. Oh, I totally missed that. So right there, the inscribed angle with the endpoints here and here. And that's the same endpoints used for this angle K here, which means they're both have this intercepted arc of JM. If they're both sharing the same intercepted arc, that means that these two angles have to be congruent, which means the measure of angle K is also going to be 28 degrees. All right, on number 25, remember that if you have an inscribed polygon or inscribed quadrilateral, specifically inside a circle, that the opposite angles are going to be supplementary. So that means that this angle here, 5x, plus this angle L, its opposite, 110, is going to equal 180 degrees. And now we can solve. So we're going to subtract the 110 from both sides, and we're going to get 70 degrees. Then you're going to take 70 and you're going to divide it by 5, and you're going to get excuse me, you're going to get 14. So x is equal to 14. Now we're also supposed to find y. Same idea. The opposite angles, 2y plus 104 is going to equal 180. So we're going to start by taking 180 minus 104. And that's going to leave 2y is equal to 76. Then you're going to take that answer and you're going to divide it by 2. So y is going to equal 38. On number 26, we're supposed to find x. Remember, if it's on the exterior, it's going to be the big arc minus the small arc. Divided by 2 gives us that. Well, what we need to first find out is what the small arc is. And I've used 184 and 120, which means the remainder amount is going to be that arc right there. So what we need to start with is 360 minus 120 minus 184. And what's left here is going to be 56 degrees. So now it's going to be big arc minus small arc divided by 2 is going to equal that angle measure. So what we need to do is 120 minus the 56, which is 64, and you take that answer and divide it by 2, and that leaves you with the angle measure of 32 degrees.